Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and I am the founder of Idea Weaver AI, where we work at the intersection of DevOps and AI, as well as our aim is to make the AI education simple. So we created an agent called DevOps Agent, which help you to debug various kind of DevOps issue. For example, the issue related to your Kubernetes cluster, related to your AWS environment. If your cloud bill is high, it will help you to review your GitHub PR. It also has an integration with MCP, and all these will be done with the help of various kind of an AI, uh, various kind of LLMs. For example, all the way from your local deployment of Olama to Google Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, and 100 plus models supported by OpenRouter. As well, it has the integration with various notification systems like Microsoft Teams, PagerDuty, and Slack. It's completely open source, completely free. Please give it a try, and if you like it, please don't forget to star it. Now, the topic for today is NVIDIA AI Infrastructure Operation Assured Certification. So, by the end of this video, you will know that if this certification is really worth or not. Also, I have a bonus at the end of the video, so please watch this video till the end. Now, in case if you are following this complete Gen AI way, I don't need to tell you how much important is NVIDIA as a company. And we know that most of the Gen AI workload nowadays is running on the NVIDIA GPU server. So in case if you are interested in building your career in AI infrastructure, which involves working on the NVIDIA GPU or supporting AI workload in production, you definitely came across NVIDIA as a company. But what exactly is this certification is all about? Who is it designed for? And what other topics does it cover? And the most important part is what should we expect in the exam? So in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know before taking this exam. And by the end of the video, you will have the clear understanding of the exam format, the different section, and how to prepare effectively. So let's get started. So first question is, what is this certification is all about? So first thing you should remember that this is not a machine learning certification. This certification is not going to ask you to build a neural network or to derive some kind of a backpropagation algorithm. The main focus of this certification is how you can utilize the NVIDIA infrastructure to power up your AI application. So this certification is all about for someone who need to design his GPU server or who need to configure networking in his AI environment. Or if you want to monitor the GPU health, this certification is for that purpose. Or if you want to optimize your inference performance, this certification will help you. Or let's say if any of your customer is complaining that your AI application is responding slow, then it will help you to debug those performance bottleneck. So this certification is designed for professionals who are responsible for deploying, managing, monitoring, and optimizing NVIDIA GPU-based AI infrastructure. Now, the next question is, who should take this certification? So this certification is ideal for the professionals such as DevOps engineer, platform engineer, SRE. So in case if you worked on Linux cloud platform, Kubernetes, GPU, or infrastructure automation, you will likely find this certification highly relevant. If you are completely new to the AI, don't worry. This exam focus on the infrastructure rather than the advanced mathematics or machine learning research, like I mentioned earlier also. Now, the next important part is what is the exam format? So, at the time of the recording, the certification consists of around 50 to 60 multiple choice question. As far as I know, it's 50 questions. You will have approximately 60 minutes to complete the exam. It's completely online proctored. And the good thing about this exam, which I really like, that NVIDIA does not publish the passing score. So your goal will always be to understand the concept rather than to memorize the answer. And the other good aspect about this exam that it is not going to ask you the question directly. For example, it is not going to ask like, what is NVIDIA NCCL or what is CUDA? Rather than it is going to frame a question in the form of a scenario. So for example, it is going to ask a company is training a large language model across multiple GPU and what technology. So that two things I really like about this exam. Once they have not published the passing score, and the second thing is it's mostly a scenario based question. Now the next question is exam domains. So certification is mainly divided into three domains: essential AI knowledge, AI infrastructure, and AI operation. So as you can see, the first two domains they constitute the major part of the exam, and then we have the AI operation. And if you want to know like where exactly I get this information, I got all this information from the NVIDIA official certification exam guide. So I will add the link in the video description. Now, what exactly constitute in this essential AI knowledge? So this section introduces you to the fundamentals of AI. Like for example, what is artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. So basically this builds the foundation before you move to the infrastructure piece. The next part is the AI infrastructure, which constitute of like 40% of the exam, and that is the, I think it's 40 or yes, 40% of the exam. And this is the largest section where you are going to learn about NVIDIA GPU architecture, different kind of a cores, different kind of a networking technology like GPU, direct RDMA, storage thing, networking. So if you are preparing for the exam, this is a section where you're going to spend most of the time. The next part is the AI operation. So this final section focus on running AI workload in production. So topics like GPU monitoring, NVIDIA SMI, troubleshooting performance. So this section is all about keeping your AI infrastructure healthy, efficient, and production ready. Now, the next thing is how should you prepare for this exam? And this is just my personal opinion. So I believe people should study in this order. First, you will start with the AI fundamental, then you will learn the GPU architecture, and then understand various kind of a networking technology, for example, NVLink, InfiniBand, or RDMA, and then study the NVIDIA ecosystem, all the way up to CUDA, Tensor Core, Triton, NIM, DCGM, and finally spend time troubleshooting GPU utilization or memory bottleneck or different kind of a performance issue. Now, there is one question which comes to everyone's mind that is this certification really worth? So this is again my personal opinion, which I believe that this is an excellent starting point for anyone who is interested in AI infrastructure. So as organizations are deploying more of a generative AI workload, the demand for these kind of engineers who understand GPU, who understand AI networking, distributed training, and production AI operation is increasing. And this is a kind of a valuable skills you need to have. Just to set the real expectation, this certification will not make you an AI researcher, but it will help you to understand the infrastructure that makes the modern AI possible. So hopefully this will clarify a lot of your doubt. And finally, I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of what this exam is all about and what you can expect in this exam. The bonus part is I have created one practice test where you have two modes, and this is again freely available. And here you have practice mode and you have the exam mode. So if you click on the practice mode, you have like an exam, you have a 50 question. If I click here, you can do the check answer. It will give you the explanation like why this answer is correct, why the other options are wrong, as well as it will give you the exam tip. Also, if you go to the exam mode, it is going to simulate the real exam where you have 60 minutes and you have 50 questions to complete. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much.